Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add credit card payments on WordPress websites in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to add a credit card payment to your WordPress site. This tutorial, first of all, is perfect for those who are just starting out with e-commerce on WordPress and will help you even understand the basics of integrating some credit card payments options. Of course, credit card payments functionality to your adding it to your WordPress, of course, website is essential for any e-commerce site. So this tutorial will guide you through it. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you will need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, just go to this URL section, type wordpress.com and hit the enter button. For me, at the same time, I'll just go and open my local host. Of course, if it's your first time on WordPress, you will not find yourself on this page. Instead, you will find yourself on a page like this. So make sure to click at this top right corner login option if you have an account, and you can log in using Google, Facebook, no, not Facebook, Apple, GitHub. I don't know what that's with the app if you have it. And if you don't have an account, you can create an account using Google, Apple, and GitHub if you don't want to get through all the board steps of creating and even logging in into your account. Once you do so, you will normally find yourself here in this page. So as you can see in this page, for me, I don't have a plan. So for you, all you need to do is simply go to pages and basically access your website. So for me here, I'll just go to my local host where I'll be able to access that, of course, on my local host. Of course, first of all, like to add credit card payments on your WordPress site, either here, it's the same. You will need to go and install like the WooCommerce plugin as example. So go to this list panel, click on plugins, add, or just hover plugins, then click on add a new plugin. This should take you to the plugin page. Here, just go and look for WooCommerce as an example. Let's wait for the search, and we'll have to locate the plugin, then simply install it and activate it. So example for me here, it's already installed, but anyway, for you, make sure to go and get it. For me, I'll just go here to install the plugins. So I'll just look here for WooCommerce as an example. And let me just look for it. So Klarna, where's WooCommerce alone? So here's it. All I need to do is simply access the settings of that and configure this payment settings on it. So here, as example, general, products, shipping, and payments. Click on that payments button. And here, as you can see, you'll find a lot of payments option that you can add to your WordPress site, of course, on WooCommerce. Direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, authorize.net, Stripe, SIPA, GiroPay, Ideal, bank contacts, as you can see, EPS, so forth, a lot of things, as you can see. So which one, as example, uh, includes the credit card? As you can see, you'll find if some includes the credit card, you'll find this right here, like this authorize.net, Stripe also. Let's look for other things like this one, credit card with Stripe by Payments plugin. It's already like for me enabled. And other than that, yeah, it seems like this three. So we can simply just enable it all. Click on enable on this one and click on enable on this one. To manage it or to set up, if it's your first time, if you did not set it up yet, you'll have to simply just go back. So for me, I'll not do that, of course, at the moment. So basically, just click on manage as example. To manage that exact payments like authorize.net, you'll have to enter like enable disable. First of all, it's enabled. Title, give it a title, description, sandbox mode, enable it if you want to try things out if it's working or not, API login ID of your authorized, transaction key, public client key, and all the other stuff. Of course, allowed card types like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. You can add more if you want to, like GCP or Dinners Club. And once you change everything, click on Save Changes. This is for authorize.net. For Stripe, you'll basically have to do the same. So go to Stripe, click on Finish Setup as example. And here's example this one. So click on Finish Setup. First of all, you'll have to enable it and etc. So example, then you'll have to enter your keys. Where you'll get that, of course, simply from your Stripe account. If you have one, just go and get those keys and simply paste them here. If you don't, you'll basically have to go and create a new keys or create first of all a new Stripe account, then back here enter your keys and simply click on save live keys so you can accept payments with Stripe to a debit card, of course, or credit card. Of course, you can simply go to test first of all to test it out if it's working or not. You will get even the test keys like test publishable key, and the secret key, and even the webhook secret key. Make sure to get it, and you can simply test the connection once you enter all the informations. Other than that, like the last option, which was the last one, so let me just scroll down. It's already for me activated, as you can see, but I'll just click on a minute to show you how the settings of it will look like. For example, on Stripe settings, we on the credit slash debit card. First of all, make sure it's enabled. Title, you can give it whatever you want. Description, etc. All those informations. So credit card display, Visa ending with 111, etc. or something like that. You can change the type, as example, capture, authorized, whatever you want. Credit card icons, as example, Amex Discover, Visa, Mastercard. You can add all those other stuff like Union Pay, GCP, Maestro, and yeah, card form is example. Make sure so choose everything. You can even change the theme like a night or flat. Once you change all the settings, click on save changes. And now how to test if this is working or not. Once you set up and configure the settings and set up like Stripe or credit card payment and enable it, make sure to test the payments gateway. And you can simply just go to your pages and start adding this payment on your WooCommerce site or whatever site you have. Then yeah, once you've confirmed, of course, that the test transactions are working, you can disable first of all the test mode if you enable it to test out things and start accepting real payments. Double check all your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Your website is now ready to accept credit card payments through Stripe, and you'll be good to go. So there you have it. You successfully set up some credit card payments on your WordPress website using WooCommerce and Stripe. This feature will help you boost sales and provide seamless checkout experience for your customers. So keep exploring other WooCommerce extensions for further enhancing your store functionality. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy selling in 2024. And if you have any question or there's a specific topic that you'd like me to do it in the next tutorial, just drop it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.